Hello guys, I thought it'd be interesting today if we had a look at my YouTube channel and how it's going and how much money you can expect to make with a small YouTube channel basically in this niche, and just maybe learning some tips and how I grew my channel and etc. etc. So starting in 2021, I started my channel, I think it was January 2021 or it might have been January 2020. I think it was January 2020. I can't remember. I think it looks like it was it was like December or November 2020 I started my YouTube journey. And yeah, it took a while, as you can see, to even start to get any views at all, pretty much. If you look at this, you can see that I was averaging about 100 views a day if I was kind of having a good day. But then slowly, surely, it started to grow. And if you don't know, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube. It took me longer to get the watch hours than the subscribers. For some people it's the opposite, but yeah, just happened to be this way for my channel. So in my first full year, I gained looks like 8,000 watch hours. That seems like a lot. Wow, I really started to explode in kind of November last year, I remember. So yeah, it was very, very slow at first, and the subscriber growth was very, very slow as well, but it's got a lot better. And my revenue for 2021, my estimated revenue was $614. But you can see that for the most part, I wasn't actually monetized. It took a long time to get monetized. I used a lot of views where I wasn't monetized, but it doesn't matter. It wasn't that many views, to be honest with you. So yeah, on average, when I upload a video, I make between $8 and $10 a day. And when I don't upload a video, which we'll see, I stopped uploading constantly this year. Unfortunately, I kind of didn't upload as much. But let's have a little look anyway at this number here. I just want to see, can I? No, okay. I want to see if I could hide the revenue until later just to make it a surprise. But yeah, we'll just do it like this, whatever. So this is 2022. You can see that the views have been, wow. I actually haven't looked at this properly. Yeah, they've doubled. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much to everyone who watches my videos. I feel like the videos have been, they've got more useful, so it kind of makes sense that the views have gone up, but holy crap. So yeah, my recent 31st of October was actually the best day I've ever had in terms of views, which is pretty cool. It looks like I'm in a period of growth right now, so hopefully if I can just continue uploading fairly consistently. I'm just comparing 2021 and 2022. So the subscribers, I gained more subscribers, but I could have gained a lot more. The watch time and the views are completely insane. They're so much better here. That's really, really good. So yeah, let's have a little look at the, wow, that's really interesting. So let's just quickly look at the revenue, and then I'll break some more things down. So the revenue, yeah, it's the same. It's just a longer period, but you can see that when I have a good day, it can go up pretty high to 25 if I get a lot of views in a good niche. But that is a really hard kind of formula to find. So you can see that despite uploading a lot of content here, this is what's kind of demotivating sometimes for me. Sometimes I upload, a load of videos and I will only make $4 to $5 so in a day, which is the same here. $4 to $5 a day, it's not so bad, but $150 a month, it's not and I want to talk about this in more detail in this video, but I don't really take affiliate deals, to be honest. I'm not really a fan of the affiliate system. that much, especially for tools that I don't already use myself. And so, do I get any more money? I sometimes get sponsored videos, but this is pretty much how much I get paid in a year for uploading. I actually don't know how many videos I uploaded in this period. I don't know if it says here. I would actually like to see that if I can. Let's have a little look. Oh, there it is. 2022, 155 videos, 50 live streams, 13 shorts. I have a feeling that 2021 is going to be a lot more than that. Oh, no, it's about the same. Interesting. It's almost exactly the same. That's super interesting. I'm doing this live, guys, just because I find it interesting. So I thought you guys might find it interesting as well. Basically comparing 2021 to 2022. Impressions. This is such an important statistic for any YouTube channel. I want to see if there are a lot more impressions, which is really, really important for my channel. But I do need to look at things like click rate and watch time as well. So here in 2022, we have a 3-minute 28 average watch time. I think 2021 will probably have a higher one because I had less views. Yeah, it has a higher one. I don't think that's necessarily because the content is better. It's just because less views, so longer average view, if that makes sense. This is really, really cool and really, really interesting. I'm actually really enjoying this. So I just want to, before I continue, there is something I want to talk about. So a lot of people probably wonder why I upload Shopify videos to this channel. They're actually my best performing videos, except this one, which is completely popping off right now. But this one here, how to center the collection section headings on Shopify Dawn theme. This video took me a minute to make, literally a minute to make. Like, look how long this video is. It's 1 minute 29. It's got 6.2 thousand views, and it's earned $65. That's absolutely insane. This video was so quick to make. I'm not even kidding. It was ridiculously quick to make, okay? And what I want to kind of encourage people to do is to find a skill that any skill, to be honest with you, any skill that you're an expert in, and make videos in that niche, because it's a really, really nice side hobby, guys. I love it. For me, it's a hobby. I don't really run it like a business. I know that a lot of YouTube channels are businesses. Totally understand that. Maybe in the future mine will be more of a business, but for now it's just a hobby and I'm just enjoying myself. And I just learned everything as kind of I went along. But yeah, I want to see how many views I've actually got, because I haven't looked at this in quite a long time. So overall, I have had 450,000 YouTube views, which is really, really nice, really, really cool. I want to see my best performing videos and things like that. But watch time, you can see, is just, it's dependent on whether I'm uploading or not. These two periods that you can see that are basically the same are periods of a lot of uploads for me. Yeah, I just need to be more active. I need to live stream more. I enjoy live streaming. It's fun and it gives me good ideas to work on other things. Subscribers, the growth has just been really nice for me. I'm really, really happy with the growth. I couldn't really ask for more. I wasn't expecting to be at 10,000 or almost 10,000 subscribers by this point. In 4 or 5 months, if my maths is right, I should be at 10,000 subscribers if I upload videos. And yeah, you can see that it's heavily affected by when I upload videos. So message to Hamish, please upload more videos. Let's have a look at my best performing video. I already know what my best performing video is. It's been my best performing video since I made it, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Like, this video, out of all of the videos that I made, is still the most viewed video. It's only made $40 from 13,000 views. To be fair to YouTube, it wasn't monetized when I first made it, and I guess that's where like a majority of the views came from. So it was only monetized from, yeah. So the first 8,000 views were not monetized, so it's fair enough that the estimated revenue is so low. Don't flame YouTube, that's not really their fault. although they could give the money from when you weren't monetized when you become monetized, because they did have ads on this video. But yeah, this is how I did it, guys. This is how I grew my channel. From the beginning, I was an organic SEO channel. I always write the main topic of the video in the title. There are two types of YouTube channel growth. I just want to talk about this quickly because I do find it pretty interesting. So the first type of YouTube channel is what I'm doing, which is organic SEO. I've got a cold, guys. I've just started sneezing like a lot. I just had to pause the video. Oh no. But basically, I use keywords in all of my titles. You can just literally go on my channel and click on content. And so I always use Redbubble, because then I get put in the Redbubble kind of search algorithm on YouTube, if that makes sense. I always use print on demand and Shopify together. You know, just really, really basic, obvious stuff. But like, the other way to grow a channel is to use like high quality thumbnails, and then in the title you just use like shock value. Like, I made $50,000 on Redbubble, and then the thumbnail will be like, here's how. I'm making fun of it, but it works a lot better than what I'm doing. But I prefer to do it this way, just because this is how I've always known how to grow things online. So this is what I'm going to continue to do, and it's working pretty well for me. I just need to upload more videos. But yeah, that's just a little insight into my very small but very content YouTube channel. I'm very, very happy that I took the decision 2 years ago, or however long ago, to start this channel. Thank you to everyone who has watched me so far, and to anyone who will watch me in the future. Peace out.